This is AJP PR7. Okay guys, so this is official beginning of TET, and right now it's 28th of August 11:06, as you see probably. I'm trying to show you. Yeah. And I just arrived over here right now to start my trip, and my bike just stalled, and feels like I have no voltage on the battery. Strange. I need to open look, because over here you see the voltage, it's in 88 volts. This one doesn't have anything to do with that when it's off, and was working and starting perfectly till now, but not starting anymore. So that's what kind of beginning we have right now, and it kind of sucks. This is the part of that which one going in the eastern side of Lithuania, and this is the very beginning. The track starts right here, but we have some fun. So that means I have to right now take everything off and check maybe we didn't connect correctly to the battery or something like that. But now we need to start like that. Let's look over here. Everything is perfect here. Let the loose there. Let the loose. Let the loose over here, as you see. But the contact still exists. I don't think that would be causing a problem. We will check the fuses as well. That's good. That one is good as well. And that one is good. See what's happening over here, maybe, you know. Well, that sucks. To be honest, that sucks, because what can I do now? I don't have no charger. Am I gonna have to try push start? I can, but what's gonna be from there? We'll see. Let's tighten that one at first, and we'll see what's gonna be happening from there. I think I'm gonna have to push start. Oh, because of this wind, I'm not sure how we're gonna hear me. I'm trying to move all the wires and everywhere over here, and see maybe, you know, that will do something. The one thing that in the morning I checked it, because I was looking and showing to my dad that, you know, like you can see the voltage over here, and I just turned on, it was a 13 something, 13.1 I think, like that, something like that. So like I just checked it later on, I said 13.1, and it was all good. Now I moved like all kind of wires. We will see what does it show. The dealer of AJP in Lithuania trying to help me, sending me all kind of messages. Let's look together right now. What does it show for us? 9.7 volt. Okay, so looks like while it's standing, it's trying to the battery is kind of trying to recover itself, which is good. That means the battery is not dead. Well, that's what I'm thinking, because I'm not good at electricity. I mean, like, electricity is my first kind of enemy, you know. It bites me, never helps me. I will try to start it. I'll start the push started on, I don't know, maybe third gear. It's a possibility it will start, because it starts right away when it turns, like from 2 click and it starts. Okay guys, I will try to push it right now, maybe in gear number 3 or something like that, because I don't have anything else to do. I have to do this. I have to do that. I need to find gear number 3. You know what is? That's a neutral. That's a second. That's a third one. Because I don't think I'm gonna be able to push it on. Oh, you see? Everything disappeared. Everything disappeared. Shoot! No, I can't. I'm not gonna be able to push that. Look at this. Everything disappeared. So I have a problem with somewhere, because it just was showing that there is some juice left, and not anymore. Not anymore. I'm stuck. I am stuck. Why can't, since I started? Maybe second? Nah, but would have catch. Would have catch it. So light bike, but nothing good from being light when you need to push it, not ride it. Good news and bad news, like always, yes. Bad news, I'm stuck. And I cannot fix it because the dealer contacted with the factory and everything. They said what to do, what to check. But I cannot check no voltage, I cannot check no loops or charging, not charging, because I don't have the voltmeter over there. So that's what the problem. But the good news, the dealer is sending the rescue bus over here, and I think we found an electrician who would help me. It's so tough for everybody right now, but the guy near to Kaunas Domas, he said he will check it out, he will look for it. So that's good news, but that's a bad start of the trip, isn't it, huh? So let's wait for the rescue bus and we will go. And it's only one thing, I'm over here up north. I will put the map where I'm at, so I'm very far away from Kaunas or from Vilnius, so but we need to go to Kaunas. So it's probably gonna take for me 2.5 hours, maybe even 3 hours from Kaunas to get here, and the same amount of time to go back. So that's gonna be all day wasted. Getting help, my dad came over, he doesn't live that far, so we're gonna jump in the car. I think we will try to do a jump cables. So I met one guy in the store over here, and he gave a booster. He said just like try, and if it starts, just bring it back. So thanks so much. All right, so that's what we're gonna try to do right now. I'm gonna go and try to start the bike. We'll see is it charging or not, because if it's charging, then I have less problem. If it's not charging, at least we have where to look at. I hope that booster gonna help me at least to start, and I think this is the best way right now for me to try is the charging or not. So since I got that, it was landed for me, I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. So we'll see how it's gonna work.
Я щось виздую, простав.
So that's connected. That's connected. Gonna give some few seconds. And wanna see what's happening over here now. It just cuts off right away. Strangely. I don't know. I'm not supposed to do that. And that looks like ECU trying to reboot itself. Nothing happening. So the charge is dead. I don't know. It's not correct. Looks like that's not gonna help for us for sure. So the booster didn't help at all, and I didn't record, but look, that's what's happening right now. And the key in off position, and that's what is happening. I'm not sure. Looks like there's a short somewhere. Or maybe the motorcycle is getting crazy. It's so excited to go test, so it doesn't even want to go there. I'm not sure what it is. What? But that's what I have right now. Oh well. Look who's there! Martynas, welcome to the reality show.
Hello.
Hello people.
Hello people.
I didn't expect to see you that fast.
Yeah.
The key is off.
Okay.
And look, it starts blinking everything.
So we need
But
restart.
let's restart. We need a new bike. This is old already, 700 kilometers. Martynas says it's gonna be 3 hours ride right now, so why don't you take it? So correct. So this yesterday's perfect day, we changed to this rainy morning, and now I'm going to the battery service and we will check if the battery correct. So that's the first step. After that I'm going to electrician guy. So it's right now, what is today? 8:25, 29th of August. The weather front does not look good at all, so I was planning to escape Lithuania today, but looks like I'm stuck. But you know, happens. I really wonder what's happening with the bike. Okay, so we're carrying the battery. Gerą dieną. Čia truputėlį YouTube'as, tai...
Supratau, pažiūrėti akumą. Mes galim pasižiūrėti. Stebuklas yra, aš neįlyčiau.
Šiek tiek.
Padaryt?
Tiesiog gali kokį kitą akumą prijungti ir pažiūrėti, jeigu motociklas kūrės, viskas dar tvoj, tada reiškia žiūrėti šitą, o šiaip tai lengviau, kol akumas čia, tai šitą prasižiūrėti, prasimatuoti įtampą. Testeriuką turime šiandien? Ne, pamatysiu pasižiūrėti, ar jis...
Dėkui labai.
Jeigu miręs, tai... Jeigu miręs, ieškosim kažko naujo.
Alright, so the guy said this is good and we're gonna need to go and find another one solution. Let's... Ooh, look at that. I'm not made from sugar. Okay, this is good, and we're gonna go. I need to go to the electrician guy. Oh. But that means some different problem. Sadly different problem. All right. That means we start from scratch. A little like from yesterday. So yesterday the factory got involved as well. So I got some calls from factory, and we were trying to like figure out everything together. So I think today it's gonna be a little bit easier. Usually the battery, it's not the cause. Battery is always the consequence. So that's why the battery was charged out. Now we're gonna go to the electrician. I still have some time. It's a little too early. I have 1 more hour. It's 9:05 right now. He said to come about 10 o'clock. And we arrived over here, so I'm not sure where exactly he is, but we are, I think, gonna find it soon. Jūs kino teatre. In English. Bet išiminėti viršūnų reikės. Story of my life, guys. Look at that. Look at that. We cannot open these doors anymore, so we're gonna have to use the side ones. But the bike arrived like was just put in there, so. So we came to the place, and the man right now gonna try to find what's the problem. Okay.
Pabandom. Čia
As you see, it started like that, and the battery was charged for maybe 15 minutes. We're gonna retrofit right now like different kind of relay, because 80% that's a problem with the relay. Because when I showed you that there was a loose negative wire, probably that was the problem. That would caused the relay to burn. So we expecting that's what it is. We don't have over here the one we need exactly. So we're gonna retrofit this one and look outside what's happening. Thundering, but we'll try to put this one, and then we will know for sure is that a relay or not. If not, or not, then we probably calling the manufacturer. Are we getting sent a brand new one, or if not, we're gonna try to find somewhere the same one. Išduosiu paslaptis tavo dabar darbų.
gerai.
So it's charging.
Aš manau, kad čia pajungus teisingą relę, tai bus gerai.
So, okay, so we almost think that it's this relay, because this is not a correct one and it's already charging, so we need a new relay. Okay, need to call the factory. Bike back in the place. I'm so glad that was just a small problem, but it's so sad it was caused by such a small thing. And now just look in the weather. It's thundering and crazy, and I got in contact with the factory. They're sending express the part for me. Yep, so we are in a place where everything gonna be changed, the oil and the tires. Well, do I think, or is it really gonna be that I'm not gonna be able to do Lithuanian as well? And I don't like it. I'm gonna do part of it from Kaunas, so half of it, but not all of it for sure. Oh, and I don't like it. Oh well. But now I need to leave the bike because my tires need to be changed. But with these ones I'm not going to be able to go that far. I guarantee. So back to gas place for Bike Parts LT. It's not a advertisement, but if you need help, tires or something, you always can get it over here. Bike Parts LT. I'll put it in so you will see it, and they always can help you with that. And now there's the boss of the boss, the man you always need to talk to, and he always can help you. Look at that. I already showed once, but they have a lot of things over here. Always you can get it. See? So, specialized test riders. Perfect spot, yeah? And now we're gonna get my bike unloaded. They're gonna stay over here till tomorrow until everything gonna be fixed. The oil change and the tires. Guys, I wanna just go. I wanna go. Should I take one of those? Nah, I'll be alright. Need to find the filters.